Determining the cause of a busy line error.
Hey there! In today's video, we'll be discussing how you can determine whether a busy line error is occurring on your end or on the person you're calling. Understanding the cause of this issue can help you troubleshoot and resolve it more effectively. So, let's dive right in.
Checking your own line.
The first step is to check if the busy line error is originating from your end. There are a few things you can try. 1. Check your phone's connection. Ensure that your phone is properly connected to the network or service provider. Verify that you have a stable signal by checking the signal strength indicator on your phone. 2. Restart your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Turn off your phone, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh the network connection and potentially resolve the issue. 3. Try calling another number. Dial a different phone number to see if you encounter the same busy line error. If you can connect successfully, the issue may be specific to the person or line you were originally trying to call.
Identifying issues on the recipient's end.
If you've determined that the busy line error is not occurring on your end, it's likely that the issue lies with the person you're calling. Here are a few things to consider. 1. Confirm the recipient's availability. If you're consistently encountering a busy line error, it could mean that the person you're calling is genuinely busy and unavailable to take your call. They may be engaged in another conversation or have their phone switched off. Try reaching out to them through an alternative method, e.g., text message, email, to confirm their availability. 2. Ask others to call the recipient. Reach out to someone else who knows the person you're trying to call and ask them to make a call. If they also experience a busy line error, it's likely that the recipient's line or phone is experiencing issues. This helps confirm that the problem is not specific to your number. 3. Contact the service provider. If you suspect that the issue lies with the recipient's phone line, reach out to their service provider. They can investigate and determine if there are any technical problems with the line or the recipient's phone. That wraps up our discussion on determining the cause of a busy line error. Remember to check your own line first by verifying your connection, restarting your phone, and trying another number. If the issue persists, focus on identifying any problems on the recipient's end by confirming their availability, asking others to call them, and reaching out to their service provider if necessary. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay connected and have a great day.